Courtyard House is a heritage-listed interwar bungalow. From the street, there is no visible presence of an addition beyond, but the Hawthorn home has undergone a fundamental transformation. The clients, a professional couple, aspired to an idyllic, minimalist sanctuary, with abundant natural light on the south-facing site. Although the property deserved substantial improvement, their brief was for a modest 3-bedroom home on a similar footprint to the existing house. This was not an extension but a reconfiguration. A property-specific covenant dictated an external material palette consistent with the existing house of bricks and terracotta roof tiles. An added complexity was the long driveway down the western side of the house. This increased the frontage visible from the street. These constraints ultimately drove our design solution to maintain the existing roof line while carving out a large courtyard from the eastern side of the house. Upon arrival, the tranquil mood is set by the timber-lined entry, itself inspired by the original deco interior features of the home. Hidden doorways lead to the existing 2 bedrooms, one of which has been restored to honor the original house. A light well draws you towards a convoluted entry. Then the central courtyard is revealed. It is the sensory experiences of the courtyard that best exemplify the actualization of the client's vision. The sound of bamboo in the breeze, the trickling of running water, the temporal experience as light trickles through the battens. Operable timber screens and cladding provide relief to the heavy materials of the existing house and allow the inhabitants to adjust to changing light and climatic conditions. Beyond the courtyard, a dramatic new double-height pavilion serves as the house's main living area. The south yard has been minimized and now serves as a backdrop to the living spaces. Throughout the house, framed views of a sequence of garden spaces further evoke the client's desired ambiance of tranquility. The landscape was a sincere collaboration between clients, landscape contractor, and architect. From the outset, the Japanese maple tree was the spiritual and aesthetic center of the house. A key art contribution was the private garden of the onsen, whereby an openable gate allows for either a secluded bathing experience or the holistic courtyard view. Kihara executed the landscape with traditional Japanese expertise unique to Australia. The dry garden requires minimal watering and extensive rainwater storage is provided. A sustainable outcome is further supported by external sun shading, thermally broken windows, hydronic heating with electric heat pump, and a 6-kilowatt solar array. Distilled down to its most earnest and functional construction, Courtyard House benefits from the client's investment in design for longevity. Reflecting their travel history and personal philosophy, it is a harmonious and peaceful refuge, nestled discreetly amidst the leafy streets of Hawthorn.